Good morning guys and welcome back. So in preparation for the KTM Adventure Rally with Swedish fella Ricard, Philip and Jack from the UK. Now it's time to pick up our last two and then we are off to the Strategica once again. You know the deal. I hope everybody is ready to race. I mean, we will not be racing today, but still, it's gonna be a fun one, I'm quite sure. So, yeah, like I said, we go to the fuel station, meet up with Fabian. Is it even how you pronounce it in English? In Germany it's Fabian. And his wife, and then the six of us heading off for a little adventure today, just to get everybody used to the surroundings here and the ground. I think it's a good idea because I mean Philip and I already did a couple of laps here and there, so let's see. Oh yeah, beautiful day after we had yesterday the whole afternoon basically, and now I hope everything is dried up already. If not, well, we will have some funny potholes. These guys all want the same, making noise, that we are making noise. Yeah, enough talking, let's go and check out some Romania roads ahead. All right, now we are ready to roll out. Everybody fueled up, so now it's time to go. Probably, I think it's like the 4th or 5th time that I ride this road now. That usually doesn't happen on my tours. Imagine. The camera was not rolling. See, one tipped over, then the second one tipped over. And now we have a party. Need to catch up with the rest. See what I'm doing for you guys. I stopped in bear territory. Ow, what the heck. have fun. You're right, mate.
Fuck, that was naughty.
Yeah?
Fuck, that was so good.
Yeah, was it?
Fuck, it's so good.
Oh, it's hard now?
Well, like you have to take a good line, but
Yeah, because you've been like pretty fast. Da sitzt einer, Vorsicht, links und beobachtet ganz genau, was wir treiben. Ew. Ew. Holy shit. That is a fucking lake. Oh, komm schon. What the fuck is that today? Blech. So much bog. It's not even funny anymore. That was a big splash. Let's have some fun on the last bits. Track. Just so lovely, except for that shit. Yeah. And that, my friends, was the Strategica for the third time. How you like that? So, how was it?
Good, awesome, unreal.
We have one more view, you know where we're going. Oh yeah, you know the drill. Up there and then we continue down. Because the track itself is leading down.
Yeah.
But we're like heading for a couple of minutes up. There's one tiny little spot that we need to show the other guys, because this is just gorgeous. That was our camping ground spot, our camping spot, not the camping ground. I hope you know what I mean. I'm freaking tired. It's already past 5:30. Let's go up. That is worth every time going up here as well. Huh. There are people on my line. That is the worst. Ooh. And that is even worse. The best for last. Look at this beauty. pfeift da. Let's head down into the valley. There's a little bit warmer than here. 9 degrees is pretty chill, and nobody want to get sick before the KTM Adventure Rally, right? Ah, this view is just gorgeous. Ja, wir fahren runter ins Tal, da gibt es so Essbuden, da finden wir schon was. Und Restaurants, weil das hier ist auch richtig teuer. Back on the 106N, the shortest way to the camp. Alrighty guys, went to the Lidl store here, bought something for breakfast tomorrow morning, and now we are heading out. Yeah, there should be a shortcut. Let's see how this goes. You guys by now should know my shortcuts. 16 kilometers in 5 hours. Yes, lovely.